Welcome back everyone, thank you for tuning back into this video. I'm doing the edit right now and I'm also got a bit of a roast on behind me. Come and check it out, I thought I'd share it with you. Thanks again for buying the merch. You didn't buy merch, did you? No you didn't. So, come on buy that. Let's just check it out, straight to the point here. Then we'll get on with this video. Nice little pint-sized roast there. So thanks again for tuning in. We got blowing a bit of a gale out here. Whenever I barbecue, the wind picks up. But yeah, Saturday afternoon. Enjoy the video, and I'll see you next time. I'm not sure how much of this video we're going to show, but enjoy.
I'm front line when I'm in the switch and we take part in them fields. Real recognize real, 4-3 up to the day get killed. Them last know my new beef, turn that cheek, you know you can't fuck with us. 4-3 as we blooded out and we run them up, we dangerous. This ain't no fucking game to us. You ready now, you can't hang with us. Pull up to the house, they gap, they fading away just like that angel dust. So who really wants to fuck with us? What if we hold up, big keep on this, you must know with us. Just gonna stop that session. I was beefing the 4-3 here, cause you are seeing your hood. It's a bunch of dogs in the sun. 4-3 double, I you don't test my crew, stay loaded. They say they're looking my
Alright folks, new job. Just hold it for 2 seconds, Rose. I know you don't like to. Got my best dude being the cameraman. Welcome back. No, seriously. Welcome back. Another job. This job we are removing all of this ceiling right through to here. Then we're putting a control joint in here, which means we're going to have to take off this cornice and a bit of this cornice. And then going over here, it's damaged to here. So we're putting another control joint in here and everything back. I've just rung up and I've ordered sheet. I realized I ordered 10mm ceiling sheet. Then we pulled this down, it's 13mm. So I quickly got on the phone and I changed that to 13mm. And Mohammed, the tow truck driver, he's out picking that up now. And he'll be back. We've got to get all of this sheet down, cut it into pieces that we can manage and put it into my van. Or we're gonna have to come up with some other system. Eugene's going around, he's cracking the cornice, just the bottom level. And water, they had water come through here, so they've actually screwed it up so it didn't fall down. Eugene's just plucking that off right now, and then the ceiling should come down after that. We've got to be super careful with this here. There's glass and everything inside, and we've got sheets 4.2 meters long, which will go straight up. It's going to be a little bit difficult getting the sheets up here and getting the sheets sort of in and up, but it's going to save us putting any butt joints in. It'll just be 5 recesses and then a couple of control joints and then re-cornice, and then that's it. And then we actually do all the painting as well. We're hoping to get this done in 2 working days. So we'll let you know how we go. And I actually didn't bring my tripod, so we're gonna have to find something else to hold the camera. We better get started. Now we're just trying to take it off bit by bit so it doesn't all fall on our heads.
Hang on, double check.
Yeah. We're just going to prepare everything, chip the cornice line, take all the nails out, put the insulation back in, take the rubbish downstairs and get it ready for fixing. We've got a little problem here. Alright, we've got the laser set up right around. Eugene's still measuring.
Oh, I'm gonna pick up that one. Pick up this one.
870. Yep.
What units? Units like
875. $865.
old mates from the
As long
bin.
as Race would kindly stop working and
No,
get out of the light.
no, you're in the bin.
No, nothing. I'm just
You're
kidding.
in the
Oh,
bin.
I'm in the bin.
Yeah, come around this side.
835. Yeah,
So that's 40 mil. If you go from
yeah,
there to
35 mil down, dropped. Mmm. I hope you're enjoying the video so far. Let me show you the progress on the roast. I'm actually adding a few extra coals right now. And I've got my Makita fan on it right there. I've just got it actually sitting on the ground there, making sure the coyotes take it, because I don't really want to mark anything. I'm not sure it'll mark, but anyway, getting this heat up a little bit. Alright, that's it there, guys. You're going back. Oh, she's fogging the lens up. She's fogging up.